Hello. Hello and welcome to this video on permutation and combination. This is the 15th set, so we will solve question number 141 to 150. And I'll say what I say in every video is that when I'm stating the problem, you should pause the video, and only if you cannot solve the problem, you should look at the solution. The other choice you have is leave the problem and move on. Do not spend more than 15 minutes on a problem, and you can come back and try the problem later. At the end of the video, I'll show you how you can download the Algebra and Trigonometry book. So without further ado, let's get started. Question 141 says that on a New Year's Day, every student of a class sends a card to every other student. The postman delivers 600 cards. How many students are there in the class? So let there be n students. Number of ways in which 2 students can be selected out of n is NC2. So we have NC2 pairs. But for each pair of students, number of cards sent is 2. Because both will send to each other. The total number of cards sent is 2 multiplied by NC2, that is n into n minus 1, which is equal to 600. So n is equal to 25 because n is not equal to minus 24. The second method is each student sends card to n minus 1 students. The total number of cards sent is n multiplied by n minus 1, which is 600. So n is equal to 25. So second method is pretty straightforward. Question 142 says that show that at the polygon of m sides has m multiplied by m minus 3 over 2 diagonals. So a polygon of m sides will have m vertices. When any 2 vertices of the polygon are joined, either a diagonal or a side is formed. Thus, number of selection of 2 points taken at a time out of m points is MC2. So if you do MC2, it is m into m minus 1, m factorial by m2 factorial multiplied by m minus 2 factorial. So you further solve it and you get the answer. Now, question 143 says that out of 6 gentlemen, the spelling is wrong here, and 4 ladies, a committee of 5 is to be formed. In how many ways can this be done so as to include at least 1 lady in each committee? So total number of persons is 10. Total number of selections of 5 persons out of 10 is 10C5. Number of selections when no lady is taken is 6C5. Thus, number of selections when at least 1 lady is present is 10C5 minus 6C5, which is 246. Question 144 says that there are 10 points on a plane. Out of these 10 points, 4 points are in a straight line. With the exception of these 4 points, no other 3 points are in the same straight line. Find the number of triangles formed, the number of straight lines formed, the number of quadrilaterals formed by joining these 10 points. So total number of selections of 3 points out of 10 points is 10C3, that is 120. Number of selection of 3 points out of 4 collinear points is 4C3. So total number of triangles formed is 120 minus 4, that is 116. Now for the straight lines, total number of selections of 2 points out of 10 points is 10C2, that is 45. Number of selection of points when only one line is formed is 4C2 is equal to 6. So total number of straight lines formed is 45 minus 4C2, that is 6 plus 1. So we have got 40. Now we have to find the quadrilaterals. The total number of selection of 4 points out of 10 points is 10C4, that is 210. Number of selection of points when no quadrilateral is formed. So from the 4 points, you choose either 3 or 4 collinear points. If you choose 3 or 4, then the quadrilateral won't be formed. So number of selections in both cases will be 4C3 multiplied by 6C1 plus 4C4 multiplied by 6C0, that is 25. The number of quadrilaterals formed is 210 minus 25, that is 185. Question 145 says that there are 4 oranges, 5 apples, and 6 mangoes in a fruit basket. In how many ways can a person make a selection of fruits from the fruit basket? So 0 or more oranges can be selected from 4 oranges in 5 ways because oranges are identical. Similarly, number of selections of apple would be 6 and for mangoes it would be 7. Thus, number of selection when all 3 types of fruits are selected is 5 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7, that is 210. But one of these selections will contain 0 fruits, thus required number of selections is 209. Question 147 says that, we have 146. Given 5 different dice, 4 different blue dice, 3 different red dice, how many combination of dice can be chosen taking at least 1 green die and 1 blue die? So number of selections by which 1 or more green die can be chosen is 5C1 plus 5C2 plus 5C3 plus 5C4 plus 5C5, which will be equal to 2 to the power 5 minus 1. Number of selections by which 1 or more blue die can be chosen will be 2 to the power 4 minus 1. Thus, number of selections by which 0 or more die can be chosen is 3C0 plus 3C1 plus 3C2 plus 3C3. That is 2 to the power 3 or 8. The total number of selections is 21 multiplied by 15. This should be 31. This should be 31. 31 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 8. So 120 multiplied by 31, that is 3,720. So the product is actually correct. This looks like a typing mistake. Instead of 32, I have typed 21. So 146 is a mistake as well. Question 147 says that find the number of divisors of 216,000. So factors of 216,000 are 5 2's, 3 3's, and 2 5's. 0 or more 2's can be selected in 5 plus 1 ways, that is 6. 0 or more 3's can be selected in 4 ways, and 0 and 5's can be selected in 3 ways. So total number of divisors is 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 minus 1, because 1 would contain no factor. So that is 72. And we add 1 to the number of divisors because 1 will divide the number as well. So we get total number of divisors as 72. Question 149 says that in how many ways 12 different things can be divided equally among 3 persons. Also find in how many ways can 12 things be divided in 3 sets having 4 things each. 148. Oh, we missed 40. 148. In an examination, a minimum is to be secured in each of 5 subjects to pass. In how many ways can a student fail? So the student can fail in 1, 2, 3, 4 or all of 5 subjects. The number of ways of failing is 5C1 plus 5C2 plus 5C3 plus 5C4 plus 5C5, which is equal to 2 to the power 5 minus 1, that is 31. So now we come to 149. Each person can be giving 4 things. Number of ways of giving 4 things out of 12 to the first person is 12C4. For the second person, it would be 8C4, and for the third person, it would be 4C4. So total number of required ways is 12 factorial over 4 factorial cube. Number of ways in which 12 things can be divided equally among 3 sets is 12 factorial by 4 factorial cube multiplied by 3, directly from formula. Question 150 says that how many different words of 4 letters can be found with the letters of the word examination? So there are 11 letters in the word in which 3 occur in pairs A, N, and I. Different letters are E, X, A, M, I, N, T, O, that is 8. No, N shouldn't be here. N, A, and I shouldn't be here. Okay, these are different. Oh, this is the total count of different letters. Okay. Now, case 1 is when 2 pairs of identical letters are chosen, that is 2 out of A and I. The 2 pairs can be chosen from 3 and 3C2, that is 3 ways. These letters can be arranged among themselves in 4 factorial by 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial, that is 6 ways. The total number of words formed is 3 multiplied by 6 or 18. When 1 pair of identical letters is chosen and remaining 2 letters are different, the pair of identical letters can be chosen in 3C1, that is 3 ways. The 2 different letters can be chosen in 7C2, that is 21 ways. These letters can be arranged in 4 factorial by 2 factorial ways. The total number of words formed is 3 multiplied by 7C2 multiplied by 4 factorial over 2 factorial, that is 756. Case 3 is when all four letters are different. Number of words that can be formed is 8p4, that is 1680. And thus total number of words that can be formed is sum of all these, that is 2454. And with this, we come to the end of 15th set of the problems. And as you can see, the problems are getting somewhat involving now, and they will continue to getting more and more involved. So keep practicing. If you're not seen my earlier videos, please watch them. They contain easy problems. Now I'll show you how to download the books. You can come to my website astop.org and click the second and third links to get the algebra and trigonometry book respectively. The date here indicates the last date on which they were updated. So you can go ahead and practice ahead of the videos. And if you have any question, let me know in comments and I'll try to explain how to solve the problems, or whatever confusion you have, I'll try to remove them. So keep practicing and work hard. And I'll see you in the next video with 10 more problems. Until then, keep practicing and stay curious.